We're going to start by locating all of the night table components, the Rayfix fittings and bolts, and also a rubber mallet and a Phillips screwdriver. Please note, all night table components are labeled number 1 and should be assembled together. In their corresponding holes, tap in the Rayfix fittings using a rubber mallet. As well, screw in the Rayfix bolts into the corresponding pre-drilled holes. Now you're ready to connect drawer face 1A with the night table top. Align the hardware on the 2 panels and then tighten the Rayfix fittings with the Phillips screwdriver. Similarly, we are now going to connect the 2 pieces labeled night table side to the drawer face and the night table top. For these pieces, the Rayfix fittings should all be facing inwards towards the center so that they are not visible along the outside edge. Again, properly align the hardware and tighten the fittings with the Phillips screwdriver. Now, when installing the night table back, the Rayfix fitting should face outwards towards the back and the exposed edge. Slide in the night table back and tighten the fittings. Finally, you'll want to install your knob on the front face. A pre-drilled hole for the knob can be found on the inside fascia.